Hi, Mason here with StockUp42. We have added many different things to our website, including passive income ideas, cheapest and most profitable crypto miners, crypto earning games, work from home opportunities, and investing strategies. Today we are going to answer the question, should you be buying crypto now? And by the way, you have found the right channel to subscribe to. My friend multi-millionaire Tommy Chong from the Hollywood Cheech and Chong movie series did anyway.
To Mason Putnam. Hi man, I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. Roll the intro, man.
So should you be buying crypto now? Let me just give a quick life lesson that I live by before answering this question. I don't gamble, I invest. The difference for me is that gambling is using money that you can't afford to lose on a short period of time hoping for a quick gain. Investing is a long-term strategy using a little of your savings to produce a higher return than what your savings account has to offer. So should you be buying crypto now? Absolutely, but please don't ever invest money that you can't comfortably live without. Whenever you invest, you should expect to have to wait 6 months to a year before seeing major gains. When you invest, make sure you do your own research beforehand. I know you have probably heard that before. Well, the reason is that there are lots of scams involving crypto right now. What you should look for when buying crypto is this: how long has the project been around? What is the function of the cryptocurrency you will be investing in? And what does the company plan for the future of its cryptocurrency? After finding a good cryptocurrency to invest in, make sure that it hasn't had any huge spikes recently. You don't want to buy when you see a major spike in the price of coin, because more often than not the price will drop dramatically. You can't lose more than what you put in, and you're only going to lose money if you freak out and sell. So if you do buy in when it's high, just buy a little more when it dips, so that when it goes back up you're in at a lower price, so you can potentially earn more money. A good practice typically is to buy a little every week. This will of course vary from person to person. Maybe you can afford to invest $100 every week, or maybe $5, perhaps $5 every other week. Point is that with a good company you will have gains, and that $5 could potentially be worth $50 in 6 months. I have gained over 900% last year in just a few months. We have some great information on our website and apps that will give you free cryptocurrency. I will put a link to the website in the description of the video. I try to produce several videos every week, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, let's stock up together, and God bless you on your investing. This is Stock Up 42. Thanks for watching.